What comes to your mind when you think about the word egg? I bet it's a chicken egg, right? Any other egg that doesn't look like a chicken egg instantly comes off as strange. But nature is full of surprises, as there are eggs that you may come across that you never, in your wildest dreams, think that they are real. From eggs that take up to 20% of their mother's weight to tiny eggs that can balance on a hair strand, as well as from balloon-shaped eggs to eggs that can be mistaken for a corkscrew. Planet Earth is filled with very unique eggs in all shapes and sizes. Welcome to another episode of the Animal Booth, and today we're gonna show you that the Easter egg hunt is not only the place that you can get strange-looking eggs. Here are 10 unique eggs that will amaze you. Number 10. Knobbed whelk's eggs. If you've ever put a spiral shell on your ears to hear the sound of the ocean, then you probably know what a knobbed whelk's is. They start off as eggs in a capsule. Each capsule is connected to another capsule to form one big spiral chain. The chain of capsules is commonly referred to as a mermaid necklace. The spiral capsule chain is as long as 33 inches. Each capsule contains as many as 25 eggs or more, and each chain may contain up to 200 capsules. To keep them safe, the female knobbed whelks attach one end of the chain to the ocean floor. The offspring are as small as 4 millimeters long and can grow up to 305 millimeters long. Their carnivorous habits start immediately. They hatch as the first batch feeds on their siblings. Number 9. Kiwi eggs. Kiwis boast of producing the world's largest eggs in relation to their body size. In fact, when the egg is ready to be laid, it takes about 20% of the kiwi's body weight. The egg takes up such a large space that there is no room left for food. Yes, the mother kiwi has to give up eating. With such a big egg, it is expected that laying the egg will be painful. It is no wonder that they lay 2 to 3 eggs per year. It also takes 70 to 80 days before the 12 centimeters long egg can hatch. The good news is that the egg contains 65% egg yolk. This means that the eggs hatch. The chicks are fully developed, fully feathered, and completely independent. Number 8. Green lacewing eggs. Green lacewings are not only unique for their brittle, lace-like wings, but also their eggs. Once laid, the eggs are usually green in color but darken as they get close to hatching. The female green lacey takes time to pick a place with abundant food. This is because they feed on other insects and may turn on each other. She also hangs the eggs individually on the leaf of a plant. She uses a slender line of silk, usually half an inch long. Imagine trusting your egg with a hair strand. Number 7. American robin. Spring is the most colorful time of the year. Leaves grow and flowers blossom. But what you might not know is that some colorful eggs are laid during that period. The American robin lays bright blue eggs. This shade of blue is so precise that it's mostly known as robin egg blue. Yes, it's that unique. The blue color is as a result of biliverdin, a pigment that is naturally found in the female's blood. The pigment is put on the eggshell when the egg is laid. The color helps the male robins to determine whether the chicks will be healthy or not, hence determines how much they'll feed the chicks once they hatch. Only 3 to 4 eggs are laid and take 12 to 14 days to hatch. Number 6. Squid eggs. Squids lay their eggs in an ink sac that is right below their gills. The sac helps protect the eggs. Each sac may contain as many as 200 eggs. The sacs are 2 inches long, translucent, finger-like, and gelatinous. The sacs are then clustered together and attached to algae or the seafloor. What's more interesting is that the laying of squid eggs is communal. So, the capsules of eggs in a cluster may be from different squids. Squids are hunted by many, so they increase the survival of their eggs by laying many. The red flying squid is known for laying 70,000 eggs at once. Female squids pervade the eggs with a protein that is irresistible to male squids. This makes them committed to protecting the eggs. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you get child support in the sea. Number 5. Octopus eggs. We all know that a mother would give up anything for her child. An octopus is no exception. In fact, she gives up her life for her offspring. Octopuses are semiparous animals, which simply means that they lay eggs once and then die once they hatch. They lay their eggs in milky white teardrop sacs. They lay about 160 eggs and the sacs are attached to a rock. The Argonaut octopus goes a step further and builds a 3-meter-long shell around its eggs, using minerals in its arms. What's more interesting is that it takes a whopping 53 months of the octopus's eggs to hatch. Number 4. Snail eggs. Snail eggs are also known as snail caviar. Whether fresh or processed, you will mostly find them clumped up together. After processing, their colors range from white, cream, and pink. Snail eggs usually have a 4 mm in diameter. They are coated with a slimy substance that could make you confuse them for jelly bubbles. Number 3. Praying mantis eggs. Once the eggs are laid, the praying mantis produces a frothy foam known as ootheca. The foam hardens into a casing that acts as the case for the egg. The egg case is usually rectangular with rounded edges and varies in color from white to tan. The egg case may be light, but it sure plays its role of keeping predators away. Each egg case can carry as many as 300 eggs. It takes 4 to 6 weeks for the eggs to hatch, after which the mother will die during the first frost. Number 2. Emu eggs. Emu eggs are unique for the dark bluish-green color of their eggshell. The eggs are not only dark but also heavy. An emu egg is about half a kilo on average. It is also approximately 13 centimeters long and 9 centimeters wide. So unless you are Robert Wadlow, it is going to take you both hands to hold an emu egg. And now this brings us to the number 1 most unique egg: horned shark eggs. The horned shark has hands down one of the most artistic and unique eggshells. The egg is shaped to look like a spiral corkscrew. It is 5 inches long, which is about the size of your palm. Once they are laid, the mother horned shark deliberately pushes the egg in crevices or reefs and scatters them among rocks. Their color also adds up in keeping the eggs safe from predators. Coralline algae may also grow on them, which only helps them to camouflage better. The eggs of the crescented horned shark are even more interesting. It's pitch black, shaped like a spiral corkscrew, but also has spiral tendrils at the bottom. It takes 6 to 9 months for a horned shark's egg to hatch. That concludes our video on unique eggs that will amaze you. Which of these eggs was the most fascinating? Let us know in the comments below explaining why you share such an opinion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more just as amazing videos. See ya!